In this video, I'm going to answer the most asked question by a lot of creators online, that is channel owners, YouTube channel owners, and then website owners. So the question is, how can you receive payment on Google AdSense or through Google AdSense? So it's very much simple and easy. I'm going to walk you guys through the procedure in doing this. So this is an account for websites and this is an account for YouTube. So now let me get going with the main part of the video. So you can see here, to receive payment from Google AdSense for a website, you just need to create your account, you verify your address. Thus, they will send you a PIN. It's going to take 3 months for you to verify it. After verification, you get your earnings here, and then you add your bank details. So you can see here, I have 2 different banks linked to this account. So I receive payment with a particular bank on here and another bank from YouTube. That's it. So you can add a lot of banks and then you choose one as primary. So anytime they want to pay you, they pay you through your primary, something like that. So let me move here. You just need to add your bank account. So adding your bank account, you just need a Swift code. Every bank has a Swift code. The Swift code, because it will be an international wire, we'll be sending it internationally from the US. So it's going to take time. It depends on your bank. For my bank, when they tell me they've sent it, when I get an email from them, the next day I get my money. Simple as that. But for some banks, it's going to take you days and the rest. So that's it. You create your account, you verify your PIN, you make sure you reach the minimum threshold, which is $100. I've changed mine to 120 because of a previous tutorial video I was doing. So normally it's 100. So if you reach the 100, they are going to tell you, oh, we are going to pay you. For normal website, you don't pay for any taxes. For normal website, you don't pay for taxes. For me, I didn't pay any taxes using the normal website. But for YouTube, you are going to pay taxes. YouTube, you have a lot of taxes here. When you move to your payment, you're going to find them. You have 2 different taxes, a tax from Ireland and a tax from the USA, even if you're not from the USA. So that's it. You add your bank account, and then when it's time for you to get payment, you're going to get an email from them and you get paid. The same is for YouTube. So when you hop on YouTube, they always load it here. AdSense for YouTube too, they tell you your earnings. So this is my earnings in last month. This month's own is not here. They update it monthly by monthly. So when the month is over, they'll add it to it and I'll move to maybe $70 something. That's how they do it. And then here too, you just need to add your bank account here. Let me move to payment for you guys to grab it. Good, you can see your bank account here. So I just add my bank account. When they pay me, they are going to send me an email. And if you have mobile banking, it's very, very much simpler. Me, when they pay me, the next day I get a message on my phone. If I want to withdraw the money, I withdraw the money. I don't even need to go to a bank. So that's it on how to get paid on Google AdSense. Very much simple and easy for AdSense for your website and then AdSense for YouTube. Simple and easy. So if you are new here, I would like you to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other question too, you can, let me know in this video's comment section. I'm going to answer that. That's it for the video. Peace.